wait, Grandad is taking his kids to school.
Well,
Oh, come on. Only you can have a child at 50 odd years old.
well, that's a little bit unfair.
Oh, be careful here.
Yeah, well,
Oh, this is tight, yeah?
it's fine, it's fine.
Be careful the mirror there. Be careful here. Madonna, you're gonna break everything.
Gordon, this is tight.
Fred, of course it's tight. Have some faith.
Hey, you went down the wrong road. You're going on someone's vineyard to turn this thing around now. This is crazy. You know that the RV is going on fire, right? Let's see, we're fucked.
We're not fucked.
Well, no? We're stuck in the mud.
We need to put some wood on the tire.
Okay.
Let me
You have no idea what you're doing.
Are we clear? Maybe if you jump out, I'll do it without less weight. Let me try it now.
You fucked it. I told you.
What's your brand new Lacoste trainers?
I'm getting my shoes all dirty.
Here you go. Gino.
Can I get some coffee?
It's lighter. I think it's going to work. Watch out.
You're getting stuck even worse with this thing. Look at that.
Fred, under the front wheels. Let's go.
Under the
I mean, my shoes are going to be so dirty.
Let's try the woods.
Bye. But this is a shamble. This is a shamble.
Fucking hell.
You messed it up. Look what you done here.
Let's get a taxi.
A taxi? Where are we gonna get a taxi here?
We're in the middle of Galicia, Gordon.
Well, let's just do a fast-paced walk.
Where's the shoes on?
You-
You sort it out now.
You're just impossible, you two.
Your Pradas are wet.
We finally made it to the culinary capital of Galicia, Santiago de Compostela.
Let's have a quiet one, please.
Let's have a quiet. Well, let's see. The police van is coming.
Having abandoned our trusty camper, Fred's keen to raise our spirits, so insisted we head to one of the city's most famous Celtic bars, Casa das Cretas.
This bar has been here for years and years, but you know what's very special about this bar? Is that it's the Celt place for Galicia. This is where you want to come when you want to go back to the origin of the people who live in this region.
Gotcha.
I'm ready for the Celtic. I knew it. We would have found a bar.
Sit down.
And Justin is ready.
Sit down, sit down, sit down.
Hello, Gordo.
Sit down. I can't believe you brought Justin Bieber. Seriously?
So shall we have a drink?
Let's go.
Please.
I think we should have something typically Galician.
Yeah.
Like some kind of spirits or something. What do you have?
So, aguardiente,
See.
it's Galician vodka. You can steal it and you get firewater.
This spirit, known as Orujo, dates back to the Middle Ages. It can be mixed with different flavors, coffee, cream, or anise. It's probably the most well-known distilled liqueur in Spain. And you'll certainly remember all about it in the morning.
Okay, so we'll have one shot, one shot, one shot, one shot.
Thank you. Thanks, Alex.
Whichever flavor you pair it with, it's got one hell of a kick.
This is very strong, yeah.
This is like water.
Shit. That's like petrol.
I like him. You're Galician, actually. You're already Galician.
No.
No.
You don't worry about it. I know what I'm doing.
Oh, my
Per
God.
favor.
Hey, what?
That's a le cocktail.
You killed it.
Gino da
You're going to
Campos.
be... Gino, come on, say something.
Taste it together. No, seriously. Taste it. Come on, Justin. Dai. Do you want to touch my beaver?
You sure?
Wait.
Can I?
Don't worry. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine.
Sit down.
Orujo is also the base of a very traditional Galician drink called queimada, a mystical punch steeped in Celtic folklore, and you might even describe its preparation as eccentric.
Yo utilizo, para hacer la queimada, utilizo un libro mágico de cocina.
Who is this guy?
That's the queimada. That's our local beverage maker.
Queimadas terminan en fuego.
Be careful, you're going to set the
Say
place on
magic.
fire there.
Who is Harry Potter?
Y el conjuro dice así. Muchos coruxas, sapos e bruxas. O veo de can, pregón da morte. Fociño dos